For years, the conversation around artificial intelligence and the future of work has often been shadowed by concerns of job displacement. We've heard predictions of machines taking over, sparking understandable anxieties across industries. However, this perspective, while rooted in some truth, misses a crucial and far more exciting part of the story. Today, we stand at the precipice of an unprecedented era of innovation, where AI is not just automating tasks, but actively creating entirely new categories of work. This revolution is not solely about what AI can do on its own, but what we can achieve when humans and AI collaborate. It's time to shift our focus from fear to opportunity. The true power of AI lies in its ability to augment human capabilities, leading to the birth of human-AI collaborator roles. These are positions where human ingenuity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence merge seamlessly with AI's analytical power and efficiency. This synergy unlocks potential previously unimaginable. Instead of replacing human workers, AI is becoming a sophisticated tool, a co-pilot that empowers us to reach new heights of productivity and creativity. This partnership elevates the human role, allowing us to focus on higher-level strategic thinking, problem-solving, and innovation. It's about leveraging AI to amplify our unique human strengths. This collaborative paradigm is already giving rise to fascinating and essential new professions. Consider the AI prompt engineer, a role dedicated to crafting precise instructions and queries to guide AI models toward optimal outputs. These professionals are the architects of AI's communication, ensuring clarity and effectiveness. Then there are the AI ethics auditors, who play a vital role in ensuring AI systems are fair, unbiased, and transparent. They scrutinize algorithms and data to uphold ethical standards, safeguarding against unintended consequences and promoting responsible AI development. Their work is crucial for building trust and accountability. Furthermore, data curators are becoming indispensable. They meticulously select, clean, and organize the vast datasets that train AI models, ensuring the quality and integrity of the information AI learns from. Their expertise directly impacts the accuracy and reliability of AI systems, making them foundational to AI's success. These are just a few examples of the dynamic new career paths emerging. We are also seeing roles like AI trainers, AI explainability specialists, and AI integration managers, each contributing to a robust and evolving AI ecosystem. The landscape of work is expanding, not shrinking. To thrive in this evolving landscape, professionals, educators, and businesses must embrace a proactive approach to skill development. The emphasis shifts from rote tasks to uniquely human attributes: critical thinking, creativity, complex problem-solving, and ethical reasoning. Adaptability and a growth mindset are paramount. Continuous learning becomes not just an advantage, but a necessity. Investing in upskilling and reskilling initiatives will empower individuals to navigate these new roles with confidence and expertise. This commitment to lifelong learning ensures that our workforce remains agile and competitive. The AI jobs revolution is not a threat to human potential. It is an invitation to redefine it. By embracing AI as a powerful collaborator, we unlock unprecedented opportunities for innovation, efficiency, and human flourishing. This is a future where technology elevates us rather than diminishes us. Let us look forward with optimism, recognizing that the most exciting chapters of human-AI collaboration are yet to be written. The future of work is not just automated. It is augmented, intelligent, and profoundly human. Together, we can shape a future where AI empowers every professional to achieve more than ever before.